Have you ever wondered how the art of fusing metal together came to be? It's a fascinating tale that takes us back thousands of years to the Bronze Age and Iron Age. Back then, welding was a humble craft, a far cry from the sophisticated techniques we see today. In those early days, simple tools were employed for a process known as hammer welding. The technique involved heating two pieces of metal until they reached a point of plasticity, then hammering them together to fuse them into one. This process was crucial in creating items that we now consider relics of the past: swords, axes, and even simple tools for everyday use. As time passed, these rudimentary techniques evolved, and by the time of the Industrial Revolution, the art of welding had taken a significant leap forward. The introduction of acetylene in the 18th century was a game changer. This gas, when combined with oxygen, produced a flame hot enough to melt steel, giving birth to oxy-fuel welding. The Industrial Revolution was a time of rapid change and progress. People were constantly looking for ways to improve and streamline their processes. Welding was no exception. The new oxy-fuel welding technique was faster and more efficient than hammer welding, and it quickly became the preferred method for joining metals. But the story doesn't end there. The welding torch, as we know it today, was still a distant dream. Despite the advancements of the Industrial Revolution, welding was a labor-intensive process requiring a high level of skill. The need for a more efficient and accessible technique was growing. From the Bronze Age to the Industrial Revolution, welding has made leaps and bounds, but the true revolution was yet to come. With the dawn of the 20th century, welding was poised to take its next giant leap. But that, dear listeners, is a tale for another scene. So, we've seen how welding got started, but how did it evolve from there? Well, the 19th century saw a surge in new welding methods. With the growing Industrial Revolution, welding techniques had to keep up. The early methods were rudimentary, often using open flames or basic tools. As we moved into the 20th century, things started to heat up. No pun intended. The invention of electric arc welding marked a significant turning point. In the early 1900s, it was recognized that an electric arc between an electrode and the metal piece creates a substantial amount of heat. This heat, reaching temperatures up to 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit, was used to melt the metals at the welding point. This method, although revolutionary, was not without its challenges. It required a steady hand and a keen eye, skills that not every welder possessed. But of course, the evolution didn't stop there. The mid-20th century introduced us to two new players in the welding game: tungsten inert gas, or TIG, and metal inert gas, or MIG. TIG welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. The weld area is protected from atmospheric contamination by an inert shielding gas, usually argon. TIG allows for stronger, higher quality welds, but it's also more complex and slower than other methods. On the other hand, MIG welding, introduced around the 1940s, quickly became popular for its versatility and speed. It uses an electric arc formed between a consumable wire electrode and the workpiece metals, which heats the workpiece metals, causing them to melt and join. Each of these techniques brought something new to the table, shaping the industry as we know it today. They've been refined, adjusted, and optimized over the decades, but the core principles remain the same. One thing is certain, though: the evolution of welding techniques has been a journey of trial, error, and innovation. Welding is an art form that has been shaped and reshaped by the hands of time, and it continues to evolve even today. In the world of welding, two names stand out: Miller and Lincoln Electric. But how did they come to be such powerhouses? It's a tale of ambition, innovation, and resilience. Let's start with Miller Electric. Established in the early 20th century, Miller carved out a niche for itself with its robust, reliable welding equipment. The company's founder, Niels Miller, was a man of vision who set out to create tools that would withstand the rigors of heavy-duty work. His first invention was an affordable arc welder that could be operated from a standard household power source. This was a game changer, making welding equipment accessible to a much larger audience. As the years rolled on, Miller continued to innovate, introducing the first engine-driven welder generator in the 1950s, and later, in the 21st century, launching the first auto-darkening welding helmet. Today, Miller's legacy lives on, with the company renowned for its high-quality equipment that's designed to deliver superior performance and durability. Now, let's turn our attention to Lincoln Electric. Founded in the late 1900s, Lincoln Electric has a rich history that's intertwined with the evolution of welding technology. Its founder, John C. Lincoln, started the company with a capital of just $200, and his commitment to developing world-class welding equipment led to the creation of the first portable welder. Over the years, Lincoln Electric has made significant contributions to the welding industry, introducing new welding techniques and technologies that have revolutionized the trade. From the invention of the flux-cored arc welding process in the 1950s, to the development of virtual reality welding simulators in the 21st century, Lincoln Electric has consistently been at the forefront of welding innovation. So there you have it. From humble beginnings, Miller and Lincoln Electric have become synonymous with welding, shaping the industry with their innovations. Their pioneering spirit and commitment to quality have not only stood the test of time, but also continue to drive the evolution of welding technology. They've set the bar high, leaving us to wonder, what will they think of next? We've come a long way since the Bronze Age, haven't we? But what does modern welding look like? In the fast-paced, tech-driven world we live in, welding has kept pace, evolving into a sophisticated craft that marries the raw power of heat with the finesse of advanced technology. The latest advancements in welding technology are nothing short of revolutionary, offering unprecedented precision and control. Take laser welding, for instance. This technique harnesses the power of highly concentrated light to fuse materials together. It's a game-changer in the industry, capable of producing incredibly precise, high-quality welds. Laser welding is particularly useful in industries where precision is paramount, such as the automotive and aerospace sectors. Then there's electron beam welding. This method uses a high-velocity beam of electrons to heat the materials being joined. The result? Extraordinarily strong, high-purity welds. This technique is ideal for applications requiring high integrity, such as nuclear power or aerospace. But it's not just about the welding techniques. The industry is also seeing a dramatic rise in the use of robots and automation. Robotic welding systems are now commonplace in many manufacturing facilities. These machines deliver consistent quality, increase productivity, and reduce human error. Plus, they're perfect for tackling repetitive tasks and working in environments that can be hazardous for human workers. The use of automation in welding extends beyond robots. Welding software and computerized systems are also on the rise, helping to streamline operations and improve accuracy. They allow for better control over welding parameters, leading to more consistent and higher quality welds. And let's not forget about the advancements in welding equipment. Today's welders are lighter, more portable, and more user-friendly than ever. They're packed with features that make the job easier and safer, from digital displays to advanced safety systems. So, you see, modern welding is a far cry from its beginnings, with cutting-edge technology taking center stage. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of improvement. It's a fascinating field that continues to evolve, innovate, and defy expectations, one weld at a time. The welding industry has seen immense growth over centuries, but where is it headed? As we travel through the annals of time, we find ourselves standing at the precipice of the future, facing a new set of challenges. The welding industry, a cornerstone of our modern infrastructure, is grappling with a significant problem: a shortage of skilled workers. This scarcity is not a result of a lack of demand. On the contrary, our rapidly advancing civilization requires more welders than ever to build, maintain, and innovate. So, why the shortfall? The answer lies in a societal shift. Many young people are pursuing careers in technology and other industries, leaving trades like welding behind. However, welding is far from being a dying art. It's a dynamic field that's constantly evolving with technology, and it offers plenty of opportunities for those willing to learn. That's where the importance of training and education comes into play. It's essential to bridge the gap between the old and the new, combining traditional welding techniques with modern technological advancements. This blend of old and new is what will keep the trade alive and thriving. Educational institutions and companies have a major role to play here. They need to provide comprehensive training programs that equip aspiring welders with the skills needed to meet the demands of the future. Incorporating the latest welding technologies into these programs, such as virtual reality training, can provide hands-on experience in a safe, controlled environment. Moreover, as we move towards a more sustainable future, the welding industry must adapt and innovate. This might involve developing new welding techniques that are more energy efficient, or perhaps creating welding equipment that's more environmentally friendly. The industry also needs to shed its image as a dirty job, highlighting instead the artistry, skill, and technological prowess that goes into modern welding. Public perception needs to shift to see welding as a vital, rewarding, and technologically advanced career path. The future of welding is a story yet to be written, and it's up to us to ensure it's a tale of success and innovation.